Ever heard of the idiom, the long end of the pole? You also must have heard the long pole in the tent. What does it mean? It comes from the idea that the tallest pole determines how high a tent can stand. So in corporate America, it means the single longest dependency that controls the entire project timeline. You will hear program managers, release train engineers, tech leads, engineering managers use this constantly. I'll throw in an example. The data migration is the long pole in the tent. Until that is done, nothing else moves forward. Or the database migration is the long pole in the tent, everything else waits on it. So, what does that mean? The longest, most critical dependency that determines the timeline. So, that's idiom one for you. Now, let's do a second one. The short end of the stick. Ever heard of that? Getting the worst of the most unfair part of a deal is the short end of the stick. The QA team always gets the short end of the stick when timelines get compressed. The third, bake it in. Let's bake in a 2-week buffer for testing rather than scrambling towards the end. What does bake it in mean? Include something as part of the plan from the start, from the get go. And that way you're not scrambling towards the end. So, 3 idioms from corporate America that are super helpful. You will hear them throughout conversations, stand-ups, refinement meetings, and planning meetings. So now you know 3 idioms: long pole in the tent, short end of the stick, and bake it in. Thank you so much.